Hi, welcome to DMJ 230, otherwise known as Journalism 1 or J1. I'm Professor Gormley. I've been teaching this class for many semesters now, mostly in the classroom. This is the first time in recent history I've taught it online, so I'm looking forward to it. I think you guys will enjoy it too. I've taken many online classes myself. I've taught online a few times. So there's some special challenges and also some special rewards you can get from taking a class online. So the way I've set it up, I think it's going to be a good experience for all of us. This is the textbook we'll be using throughout most of the semester, called Writing and Reporting for the Media, the 11th edition. If you want to look for an older version, that's okay, but just keep in mind that some of the pages and chapter numbers have changed, so you want to make sure you're doing the work that's in each of the learning units. If you want to get started on the coursework right away, I would suggest looking over the syllabus, which you'll find a link on the left-hand side of this page, on the Blackboard page. Looking over the syllabus, emailing me or calling me if you have any questions, and then jumping into Unit 1 on the weekly learning units section of the page. So the way we've organized it is that each week, each 16 weeks, there's a separate learning unit. So Unit 1, 2, 3, etc. And in each unit lesson folder, there's self-contained lesson. So you'll be listening to my lectures and reading some supplemental material, plus reading the textbook chapter, watching videos, and then going to the discussion board and talking about all of the stuff you've just read and watched and listened to. So that's how it works. 1 unit per week, and it's pretty easily organized that way. So many of you are journalism students, some of you are PR students, some of you are just students looking for some experience writing, doing reporting, blogging perhaps, or just interested in current events and want to just explore journalism as a discipline. So all are welcome. I've set up the course so that I'm assuming none of us have prior experience as journalists. So that's the way I'm approaching this. If you do, that's great, but most of you probably don't. So we're going to start right at square one, looking at some of the skills you'll need, which ones you may need to develop, which ones you may have. We'll start talking about the way you write a lead and the body of a news story and some of the nuts and bolts of doing journalism, right? And then once I feel comfortable that we're all ready to start writing, we'll jump into the assignments. There's 7 big assignments for the semester. You can read about those also if you check the writing assignments page on Blackboard, and you can look over some of the guidelines for those. But of course, we'll be talking about those in some depth later too. So 7 big assignments, class participation, so you're participating on the discussion board every week, every few days actually, and then some smaller assignments will constitute the bulk of your grade. So without further ado, please look over the syllabus, grab the textbook, and jump into Unit 1. And if you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email, a text, or stop by my office hours. I posted the office hours on the syllabus, so even though it's an online class, please feel free to come see me in person, and I can help you in any way that you'll need. So, all right, good meeting you, and look for other videos throughout the course website. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.